Hi everyone, welcome to shopbydomainname.com YouTube channel. This is Sam Apata. So as you would have seen in the title, today I'm going to mention 3 people that you can follow on Twitter right now. I'm going to show you 3 domain investors that you can learn from, and you too can make 3 figures on average every week. Yes, 3 domain investors, 3 figures every single week. I've seen these individuals make 3 figures, $100, $150, and it goes on and on, $750. I'll be able to share some screenshots of their profile. But the point is, you too can make money flipping domain names, and you can make this a full-time job. One of them is actually a full-time domain investor, if not 2 of them, and they are very successful. Let's get right into it. So the first person that I'm going to share with you, his name is Yogi Solanki. Is an Indian, and his Twitter handle is YSOLANKY. I'll say that again, at YSOLANKY. Follow him right now and go through his timeline. Send him a DM. His DM is also open. Send him a DM. Ask him questions. He's a very humble man with some of the interactions that I've had with him. And I know he's willing to also teach you how to make minimum 3 figures every week, every day, or every month even. Yogi's Twitter bio reads, "Proud Indian, new kid on the block in domaining industry, believer in dream big, achieve big, experienced marketer." Most importantly also, if you want to know how to outbound domain names, Yogi is very good at that, and he will be able to teach you how to do so. Lastly, on Yogi Solanki, he did a podcast interview with Alvin Brown. I am going to link that interview link in the description. Make sure you listen to that podcast fully, and I've applied some of the things that Yogi shared with Alvin, and I know that you are going to learn as much. Follow Yogi Solanki on Twitter. So the second person I'm going to share with you today is Dario Lopez. Dario Lopez is a South African. I'm not sure if he still lives in South Africa, but he originated from South Africa. One interesting thing about Dario Lopez is he sells a lot of FNLN. What is FNLN? First name, last name. He sells variations of those domain names. As a matter of fact, if I'm to give him a title, I can call him King of FNLN. So he knows how to sell first name, last name domain names. Daryl's Twitter handle is his full name. Daryl's Twitter handle is DARRYLLOPES, and his bio reads domain broker, domain talk. And he has a profile or his product also on Gumroad. One of Daryl's products is domain flipping easy as pancakes. Read through the description of that ebook, and if you are interested, you can purchase so that you can learn some of his strategies. You see, one thing that is very important, as I have come to understand in this domain industry, is that it requires a lot of education. It requires a lot of patience also. So you need to learn, and you have to learn. You have to continue to learn every day, because it's a technology inclined industry, and you and I know that technology changes so rapidly. So it is very, very important that you are learning every day on how to flip domain names. Darryl's DM also is open and is always willing to teach or educate individuals. So you can mention and ask him questions on Twitter. The last but not the least, third person that you can follow if you want to learn how to flip domain names, if you want to make an average of 3 figures every week, every day, or every month. His name is Shukur Pasha. He's also an Indian, although his DM is not open, but you can mention him and ask him questions also. And I believe he will be able to also show you some of his strategies on how to make an average of 3 figures every week or every month. As a matter of fact, according to Shukur Pasha's Twitter page, he has sold 2 domain names, in the last 24 hours. As at the time of recording this video, I will also share that with you so that you can see that indeed these individuals are doing as I've shared. If you are new into the domaining industry, or you are a new investor, I'll be bringing you profiles of different individuals that you can learn from how to flip domain names, make money, reinvest them, and also share in the prosperity that the domain industry offers. So that's it for today. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification button, like, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.